In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw ACH cash earning from Anchor Live. So the first thing you need to do is just log in your account using your username and password. Once you log in your account, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. From here, simply click on this menu icon at the bottom, this one. This will open up this sidebar. From here, simply select this second option, profile. Then this will open up your profile page. To withdraw your earning, first you need to add your bank account. So simply click on this primary account and then add your bank account details. Once you have successfully added your bank account, simply go back to home page, and from here this time click on this withdrawal option, then this will open up this page. From here you can see your all available earning, your bank account and all the things. So from here simply enter the amount you want to withdraw in this input box, and then you can simply click on this withdraw button. And once you do that, your withdrawal request will be submitted and you will get your money. So that is how you can withdraw ACH cash earning from Anchor. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.